DAON I&C, a specialized swarm drone company leading the future of next-generation swarm flight. We are a specialized swarm drone company at the forefront of the domestic drone industry, shaping the future of next-generation swarm flight technologies. By advancing swarm flight capabilities, localizing core components, and developing autonomous flight technologies powered by domestically developed AI semiconductors, we continue to strengthen its global competitiveness. We develop core components, airframes, and control software entirely with domestically developed technologies, establishing an integrated technological framework that ensures both stability and scalability for swarm drone systems. In particular, we develop mission-critical components such as the Flight Controller (FC) and Flight Mission Computer or FMC, which form the backbone of flight operations using our own proprietary technologies. Through the localization of these critical components, we secure technological self-reliance while enhancing our global competitiveness. Our drone platforms deliver scalable swarm operation technologies applicable across a wide range of industries, including defense, public services, commercial applications, and leisure. With flexible designs that can be configured to meet diverse mission requirements, these platforms reliably support complex swarm missions in a variety of operational environments. Our swarm drone control and operation software enables the integrated management of multiple drones through a single platform. This capability supports reliable mission execution across defense, public safety, and commercial sectors. In the defense sector, we secure technological self-reliance through localized core technologies and set a new benchmark for next-generation loitering munition swarm drone platforms. Our AI-based swarm operation system connects the entire mission chain, from reconnaissance and target identification to command and strike, in real time. Swarm reconnaissance drones detect and identify targets using proprietary data sets and deep learning-based AI, share information through the ground control system, and enable loitering munition drones to execute AI-driven precision strikes. Designed for diverse battlefield environments, including wide and mountainous terrain, the platform supports a broad range of military missions, from swarm reconnaissance and targeting to attack and trading operations. We also provide advanced swarm drone services for public sector missions, including search, reconnaissance, and disaster response. The system is designed for autonomous flight even in obstacle defense environments, accurately locating missing persons or targets through EO/IR-based AI detection and identification. It tracks moving targets in real time and dynamically adjusts flight paths, reliably supporting critical public missions such as search operations, reconnaissance, and nighttime surveillance. We are a leading company in the drone light show industry, holding the largest number of project references in Korea and maintaining the #1 market share in the domestic market for several consecutive years. Leveraging our extensive experience gained from large-scale projects and a top-tier professional production team, we independently deliver the entire process, from planning and creative direction to operation and deployment. In addition, we continuously develop original creative content and provide customized drone light shows tailored to specific objectives and storytelling themes. Building on more than a decade of accumulated expertise, we continue to expand the possibilities of swarm drone platforms beyond culture, commerce, and public services and into the defense domain. Every day, we turn imagination into reality, flying toward a better tomorrow than today, shaping the future of swarm technology. DAON I&C.